Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Snapchat password. Keeping your password updated is crucial for maintaining your account's security. So if you need to update your password for any reason, follow these simple steps to do it quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Snapchat password. Always remember to use a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.